is Alva's family vlog, and I'm playing this awesome online game, Super Bopping Beads. You getting this, Mo?
Alva's family vlog, recording your best score yet.
Yay, everyone, look! I finally finished level 1.
Great job.
Oh, it says to unlock level 2, I need to purchase special electro bopping beads. Mom, Dad, can I buy them? Please?
Well, you need to think about it, Alva. What was a free game is now asking you to spend some of your pocket money to keep playing. Have a little think about what you really want to spend your pocket money on.
What about the keep safe box you were saving up for?
Maybe my friends in Gizmo might help me decide. Mo, go, Gizmo! What's going on?
Hi, Alva. Hi, Mo. You're just in time. Mayor Garth is being presented with a new mayoral chain.
It's a gift from the exalted chain makers. They say they made it in their fancy workshop on Gizmo Street.
Wow!
This chain is to honor how awesome Mayor Garth is.
I do look awesome, don't I?
You know what? You could look even more awesome by adding extra bling-a-ling to your chain.
Wow!
Oh, yes, please.
Oh, now the chain was free, but the special bubbles, well, they cost a Gizmo each. 19, 20, 20 and 1.
Wow! I love your new chain, Mayor Garth. It's fabulous.
Thanks, Alva. But what if it was even more fabulous? By adding 1 or 2 special bubbles. They're only 1 Gizbit each.
But aren't those Gizbits used to pay all the oolies who help run the town?
Yes, but look, there's plenty. Oh, I really should get something to keep them in.
Well, Mayor Garth, have you made a decision?
Ooh, yes. I'd like to buy 1, maybe 2.
Excellent. No one but the mayor is allowed to see our special bubble attaching technique. It's a secret, see?
Wow, those bubbles look awesome.
Oh, I know. I bought a few extra.
Did you spend all the town's Gizbits on bubbles?
Yes. Aren't they impressive? Look at this purple one. It's next level bling-a-ling.
I think that one's faulty.
Oh,
May I suggest bringing it back to the chainmaker's workshop to ask for a replacement?
Good thinking, Mo. Let's go, Oolies.
oh, you 3. Alva just went to your shop.
Let me guess, a faulty bubble, right? These things happen. Yeah, that's why we thought we'd offer an oolie of your exquisite taste even better, more next-level bling-a-ling.
But I'm out of Gizbits.
Yeah, Gizbits aren't the only way to pay for something.